Welcome to Mystical Platter with me, Rehnaz. A simple, easy, and healthy breakfast is what everyone craves for. So today I'm going to show you how to make Poha Upma. Poha or flattened rice is also called as avil in Malayalam. It's light on stomach, keeps you full for a long time, easy to digest, and a good source of instant energy. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So you need to first wash the poha in running water and strain it and keep it aside. Now heat oil in a kadai and add mustard seeds, and when it crackles add Urad Dal, Chana Dal, Jeera and groundnuts and fry it till the dal turn golden brown. To this add green chillies, onions, curry leaves and ginger and roast till the onion changes color and becomes soft. Now when the onions have changed the color, add turmeric and salt and fry till the raw smell of the turmeric goes away. To this add half of the coriander leaf and mix it well. Now once everything is mixed, add the poha and mix thoroughly. Now once the poha is combined well with the other ingredients, add the remaining coriander leaves, the grated coconut and the lime juice and give it a final mix to make sure that everything is combined well. So here our poha upma is ready. Now let's transfer it to a serving bowl. You can check for the salt and add if it's necessary. Enjoy this poha upma in your breakfast, snack or even as your dinner. Do try this recipe and do not forget to leave your comments. So until my next video, take care and stay safe. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notification from Mystical Platter. Thanks for watching.